Welcome back to Shutterflow TV round here once again with the latest. You don't know the Jamaican language, the Patwa style. Yeah, man. So here we go on right about now. Each and everyone out there who is listening to this video right now, I can tell you this. Bless, peace, love, and abundance in your life forevermore. You know, for each and every one, because we are in this together. And me love me people them all over the world. Everyone. Because it's great that we all having an experience here together. It's amazing. No matter what's going on, we have to stick it out together and just show love and respect to each and every one of us. You understand what I say? I saw the thing go, man. So we just have to keep building the vibes there, you see me? And also, sometimes we feel out and down, you know, and don't want to move or get up. Get up and make a move. Find the courage. You understand? Because we have to encourage each and every one of us. You encourage me encouraging you. At that, me say. Because a oneness, me say, and a one love, me say. You don't know, say, I saw the thing go, me people. So me just want you to have a blessed and a wonderful day. No matter what you're going through, don't forget that you're not in this alone. You have Father God beside your side as always. Don't forget that. You understand? So when you feel like say the whole world shut down on you, don't forget that Father will never shut his door on you. You hear me? And always have a positive mind. Stay positive at all the times. And don't forget, people will always try to break you down. Do not let that stop you. Get up and move forward. Inspire yourself. Motivate yourself. And show them say you're not like them because them not learn their lesson yet. You understand what me I say, my people? Make them know say you stand on your ground, on your feet. You understand? And you do what you know you need to do for yourself. Because if you not do it for yourself, nobody else not going to do it for you, my people. So you don't know, say, I saw the thing go. And always make them know, say, yo, I love we say, unity, positiveness. And guess what, go on? Them words are where we use upon them can't handle it, them have to take with themselves till they learn their lesson. A peace and love me saying on my people as always. Blessed.